Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's Lint Cleanout. The expected installation time should be approximately 10 minutes, and the only tools required are a wire cutter and utility knife. This product is designed to work with both aluminum foil and semi-rigid aluminum transition ducts with 4-inch diameters. The first step is to determine a location where you plan on installing the Lint Cleanout coupler. An ideal location should give you quick and easy access for future cleaning. Using a pair of wire cutters, snip the duct at the identified convenient spot, and using a utility knife, cut the foil, thereby separating the duct into 2 halves. Separate the 2 halves of the Lint Cleanout by pushing the 2 release buttons on either side. Attach each half to the 2 sides of the duct you've just cut. To attach the Lint Cleanout, turn the coupler counterclockwise 2 turns while inserting the duct inside the threaded end of the coupler. Repeat this on the other half using the same threading action. Now, simply snap the 2 couplers together to complete this installation. We suggest you open, inspect, and clean the duct using your vacuum to remove excess lint on a regular basis. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.